Hello, I'm Daniel McClelland, and I'm here today to talk about a stock called ONDS, ticker symbol ONDS, and how this stock might be situated for a short squeeze. It had a chance today, it didn't make it, it has another chance tomorrow. So let's dig in here and see how this stock may be positioned for a short squeeze. So first off, ONDS is a stock that is a drone stock, it's a defense stock, and it just got a deal today. $6.9 million drone deal. This is a catalyst deal. And this should send the stock soaring. Well, it went up 31%, 4.8%. That's pretty good. But it could have went up a lot higher today, but it didn't. It kept getting suppressed. Every time it wanted to run up, it got suppressed. Every time ran up, it got suppressed. Why was it getting suppressed? Well, I'll show you why. It is because of this right here. Short percentage, 40% short. Wow. That means 40% of the tradable shares are short, meaning people are betting against it, betting that the price will go down. So people who have betted for the stock to go down don't want the price going up. So once the price goes up, they have ways of pushing the price down or suppressing the price. So that's why a stock that has a high short percentage usually doesn't run up unless it short squeezes. So I'm going to show you today the scenario where this stock will short squeeze tomorrow. And so you'll be prepared for it and we'll be able to cash in on it. All right, so the important thing here is looking at the stock chart. This is what's going to tell you. Well, there's another catalyst, another positive news catalyst that will help dramatically. So how do you see if a stock is situated for a short squeeze? Well, it was today. Coming into the day, it was set up for a short squeeze. So the first thing you look at when you're looking at an intraday stock chart is you look at the VWAP. And on this chart, the VWAP is this black line here that runs through the course of the day. And as you can see, it's been above it during part of the day and it's been below it during other parts of the days. It kind of has been seesawing back and forth between above it and below it. So below VWAP is where the shorts are in charge. They're pushing the price down. They want it below VWAP. When it's above VWAP, that means the buyers, the people wanting the squeeze to happen, are in charge. So there's two important parts here. This first one, this run up here, this was the squeeze chance today. And as you can see, it got up, right close to $7 a share and before it was pushed down. So that tells you where the short squeeze, the short sellers are pushing the stock down. They don't want it going up over $7. That should tell you something. Then once again, it rallies back from under VWAP, comes up here, and short sellers are on it again, and it didn't make it. Got pushed back down. Went sideways for a while, dipped just almost to VWAP, supported, bounced off of VWAP. These were two positive signs here, where it bounced off VWAP here, and then it bounced off of it again here. This is a high probability for a squeeze, and sure enough, it starts to go up, but they just couldn't quite get the volume. And that's the key indicator here, is the volume. See here, there was some decent volume, but it wasn't enough to squeeze it out. So here on the second attempt, it's even less volume. So what are the chances of a squeeze? Even less, because the volume is less. And then it kind of trended up here once again, and no volume, so it didn't squeeze out. So the key lesson here is volume. If this green would have kept getting bigger and bigger, each bar got bigger and bigger right here, this thing would have squeezed out. If they would have overrode the shorts and pushed. And once that happens, once it breaks above 705, that's when the short sellers are going to panic and start selling. And this thing is just going to shoot up. So this is what you're going to look for tomorrow. You're going to look for it to start running up and to break through about 705, $7 first. Break through that $7, start getting excited. And if you see that volume there and it's pushing to 705 with increasing volume like you had here, just wasn't quite enough. Like if these green bars would have kept going up, the short sellers wouldn't have been able to push this stock down and it would have squeezed it out. So this is what you're looking for tomorrow's setup. You want to see that increasing volume, Bouncing off of VWAP would be really good. If you see it bounce off VWAP and start running up, that green volume start pouring in, that's the sign that it's going to squeeze out. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, you got something out of it, and I hope that you make a lot of money on this tomorrow. No guarantees, of course, because once again, if it loses that VWAP, that's the risk. If it loses this VWAP, like right here, it lost it, and it doesn't recover somewhere shortly after losing that VWAP, and it would have drifted down below 680, well, then it would have been over, and we'd be in a bear situation right now, a declining situation. But it didn't. It defended it, kept coming back all day. So that's a good sign that we should be set up for tomorrow. All right. See y'all next time. Have a good day.